Hello, this is Aman Singh from TranZact. Today, in this video, we will show you how to integrate Busy with TranZact so that you can flow your data vouchers from TranZact to Busy. So we have to go on to the left hand side and select on the accounting integrations. We will take an example from flowing sales invoice from TranZact to Busy. So before flowing the invoice from TranZact to Busy, if we want the same invoice number which is in TranZact on Busy, then we have to go on to the accounting rules, search for the general rules, and then search for sales voucher number. After that, we have to click on the checkbox and then click on Edit General Rules and select the invoice number and save it. This will help you out to forward the same invoice number from TranZact to Busy. Once this is done, to flow the sales invoice from TranZact to Busy, we have to define the sales ledger. For that, we have to click on Ledger Settings and then select the sales ledger and then click on Add Sales Ledger. We can put the ledger name as per from your Busy. For an example, I have already added a sales ledger in this video. I can also edit it and delete it as per my requirement. I can define the rest other ledgers by clicking on tax ledger if I want to define the tax ledger and other ledgers. Once I have defined all the ledgers, I will go on to the document approval and I will click on pending. This will show me all the documents which are in the pending state which I have to flow from TranZact to Busy. I can see sales invoices, I can see my purchase invoices over here. In this video, as I am showing the sales invoice, I will simply search for sales invoice and I can select multiple invoices at a time which I have to flow from TranZact to Busy. I can also select all the invoices at once. As of now, I am just selecting one invoice and then I will click on bulk approval and then selected invoice. Once this is done, the ledgers which I have defined in the ledger settings, I can select it from over here, and the tax ledger which I have defined in the ledger settings, I can select it from over here. And then simply click on approve and submit. Click on submit again. Once this is done, go on to the accounting reports, click on sales register, and then you can filter out the data as per your requirement. By default, you can put the voucher number as 1 and accounting software you can select it as Busy and click on generate report. This will download the sales register data which will be in the format from like you have to flow from TranZact to Busy. Now we'll open the Busy application and we'll open the company and select the company which is present on TranZact. Once this is done, click on Data Export Import and then click on Data Export Import XML and import data. Please select the file which you have downloaded from TranZact from the download option. Click on Open. Click on OK. This will show you the vouchers which are flowing from TranZact to Busy. Then again click on Open, OK, and click on Import. Please click on Yes, and this will flow your data from TranZact to Busy. Now if we have to check the same, we'll click on Cross over here. We'll go on to the transactions. We'll click on Sales and then List. And then on screen. I can put the filter as per my requirement or I can simply click on OK. This will show the data which I have flown from TranZact to Busy. Thank you so much.